everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Chigirl to Remedies. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys how to whiten your teeth in less than 3 minutes at home. If this is like what you're interested in, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just get into the video.
Once again.
First I have here is my cumin seed. You just want a tablespoon of cumin seed. The next thing I'm going to add is sodium bicarbonate. I'll just add 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, into it. Just 1 teaspoon. Just turn it. And so the next I'm going to add is lemon. I have half lemon here. I'm making use of half lemon. I'll just squeeze half lemon into it. And I'll mix everything. I'll mix it to 2 to 3 minutes.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just keep on watching.
To whiten your teeth in less than 3 minutes. This thing works so well. Just that your yellow teeth, this thing together, use your brush, just take it and just brush your teeth very well with it. Brush your teeth to 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure you brush the area that is yellow very well. Just give it a thorough brush. Then after that you just clean your teeth. It works, guys. Just go ahead and give it a try. I just put it, just brush that place very well. Okay, less than 3 minutes your teeth will just be white. Hope you guys love this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the bell to be notified whenever I upload any new video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Just take it. No, brush your teeth very well.